guys, so I'm going to the gym and here are the things that I'm going to bring. Ito yung bag ko. It's from Smart Bag. If you want, lalagay ko siya sa link dyan. Ito siya guys. It's too big. And kasyang-kasya yung lahat ng mga kailangan nating bilhin. So first off, of course, once I finish yung exercise, I'll bring with me my clothes para magpalit. So, sando and shorts. To make myself comfortable kasi after pawis, no? And then, of course, panyo. I also have, syempre, perfume. This is so bango. As in, all day siyang tumatagal. And, may gamot pa ako here. May phenamic acid. And of course, this is very important, alcohol. And syempre water. Yung water, nilagyan ko na siya ng lemon inside para masarap, may flavor. May flavor para mas healthy, no, and mas ma-hydrate tayo kasi lemon has a lot of benefits in our body. Okay, so Clean Canteen, this is a gift from my ate. Ayan. May pangalan ko pa siya. And then, of course, yung ating ipit. And meron pa this one, the AirPods. Syempre, habang what do you call that? Yung naglalakad. I'm planning to buy that one. Oh, kala mo talaga may pambili. Anong tawag doon? Treadmill. So, yon, habang tumatakbo sa treadmill, of course, wear tayo ng AirPods para hindi tayo nadidistract sa paligid. Ayun. So, ayun lang naman. I don't want to wear eyeglass ngayon kasi I think it will, make myself uncomfortable kasi nga, wala lang. It's magalaw, you know. Parang mas prefer kong mag-contact lens, but the only contact lens that I have here is yung, what do you call this? Yung colored, parang awkward naman. By the way, nagkulot ako. Wala lang. It's my first time going to the gym after about 10 years. My goodness. 10 years ba? O, basta ang tagal na. As in. So, ayan. Ayun lang guys. So, balikan ko kayo later. Bye! Hey guys! So, may nakalimutan ako i-add. Itong ating Barrier Support Hydrating Jelly Cleanser. This is not sponsored guys kasi wala, sino ba naman ako para sponsoran nila, right? So, anyway, i-add ko lang, share ko lang sa inyo kasi this is what I use and it really helped my skin a lot. Like, nabawasan na yung mga pimples ko. And super na-help niya yung skin barrier ko. I know na manipis na yung skin barrier kaya that's why ito yung binili ko, the Barrier Support Hydrating Jelly Cleanser. It's very anong tawag doon? Gentle on our skin. It has ceramide, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. So, yun. Ba't ko ba Hindi naman to sponsored. Hindi, I just want to share it with you. And yeah, I'll put it na rin sa sa yellow basket if you want to try it, no? And ayun lang naman guys. So, wait. I'm going to ayos na my things. So, ito na siya. Charan! Ready to go! Bye! So guys, naliligaw ako. Hindi ko mahanap yung Anytime Fitness dito sa SM North. Alam niya, pinuntahan ko ito. Slimmers World ang putik! Wait! BRB. Napin ko muna. Ito yung kasama ko guys, oh. Ayan, oh. So, sa parking kami guys. Obvious naman. Nag-base down muna yung kasama. Ang init. Dito palang pawis na ako. So, ito na guys, nasa loob na kami ng Anytime Fitness and kinakausap nila yung nasa cashier? Anyway, ito na yung hindi ko alam kung tawag dito. Basta ayan yung mga locker sa gym. And ayan na si ate mo, girl. Ganda-gandahan time. And of course, ang hirap mag voice over ate ko. Ayan na sila. Sila kasi may coach ako wala. Kumakain lang ng kotsinta sa Giadli. Corny. So, ayan nga. Ayan. Oh, diba? Pak! Oh. Sino ka dyan? And, ayan lang, guys. Ako naman, makikita nyo ako dyan in 3, 2, 1. Pasok, Biggie. Oh, diba? Ayan, guys. Naggaganda-ganda lang talaga ako sa gym. Naghahanap ng cute. Uy! Joke lang. So, ayan. Yung kapatid ko naman, diba? Parang wala naman nangyayari. Char! So, ayan. Trust the process. Masayang-masaya siya sa ginagawa niya. Kitang-kita nyo naman, guys. Naku, babalikan natin tong video na to pag talagang may abs na siya. Huy! Ayan. Outfit check muna tayo, guys. Kasi wala tayong magawa sa buhay. Kimi, kakatapos ko lang mag-treadmill saka yung squat. Oh, diba? Outfit check. And ito nga pala, guys, tour ko kayo. So, ayan, nakikita niya may pang boxing. And then, tinry ko din yung, di ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. Basta tinry ko. And, diba, ate mo, girl, kala mo talaga marunong. So, sana tama yung ginagawa ko, no? Kasi wala naman akong in-avail na coach session. So, ayan, guys, sige, ayan lang. Hindi ko alam kung ilang sets yung ginawa ko dyan, pero I think it's good enough for a first time. Wow, Kiwi! Pero ayan, feeling ko hindi siya tama and at the same time mali yung ginawa ko kasi hindi sumakit yung ba dapat sasakit dyan? Yung arms, ganon. Pero wala ako na feel na pain kinabukasan or kahit pag-uwi. So, ayun. And yan na, guys. Ito nga pala yung ibang other sides of the gym. So, ayan. Nakikita niya puro karamihan boys. And ito ulit. Outfit check. Char. Tapos na tayo mag-gym yan. So, haggard na. Yan, nauwi na tayo, guys. Bye-bye. And by Anytime Fitness. So, ayan nga pala. Pauwi na kami, guys. Sana gusto niyo yung voice over ko kahit magulo. Bye!